What's going on, YouTube? Back at you with another video. Hey, man, it's always something, ain't it? I just got on this thing. Hey, look, I still got the tag on here from the last time I took it in. I forgot what I took it in for. I think I had to have the casters replaced. That's what it was. The casters had to be replaced and stuff. If you go look on my videos, you'll see I needed to have my caster wheels replaced and stuff like that. But anyway, that's the last time I took this in. Still got the tag on here. So I was using it today, jumped on it, started cutting with it, and then put it in the park, jumped off of it, and then it's cut out. The blades was off. So there was no reason for safety for it to cut off. I just got off of it, off the platform, and I just kind of heard it go out, cut off. So I was like, that's weird, because I got it in park, got the blades off, it should still run. So, but anybody ever had this problem right here? I don't know if it's the PTO switch or whatever needs to be replaced. I was looking online, so if anybody got any suggestions, let me know if you ever had this problem with it. But it just turns on, nothing goes. The battery's good, battery's all good. It just don't do anything, right? Just don't do anything. So I checked the fuses that was in here. They're good. They're like 20 fuses. Those fuses are back here. There's 2 fuses. Both of them got 20 on them. I checked them out to make sure they weren't blown or something, but I don't know, what could it be? If anybody got any suggestions, let me know. So I had to break the hydros so I can pull this thing. So I pulled it with the 36-inch with my chain just to get it in here. I don't want it sitting outside or nothing like that. So just to get it in here and I can figure something out. But if anybody got any suggestions on what's going on with it, man, I know B&B, they had Skags. I know Gibson's Lawn Care, he got a Skag. So let me know. Send it to him. Trying to figure out what's going on with this. Just always something. It's not doing anything. Anybody had this problem, let me know. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Catch you on the next video. I'll keep you posted.